Focus now on fitness. Digital fitness and wellness technology startup Portl has closed a $3 million funding round led by Bharat Innovation Fund. This round also saw participation from existing investor Kalari Capital and new investor T-Hub Foundation. The new infusion of capital is set to accelerate Portl's product development, market expansion and enhancement of its cutting-edge AI systems. To tell us how Portl has quite literally brought the gym to our homes, joining me now is its founder and CEO Indranil Gupta. Also with me, my colleague Arundhati. Indranil, welcome to Startup Street. First, let's talk to us about your flagship offering, the Portl Studio. How does the digital platform integrate AI and how much does it cost? If you could talk to us about the smart mirror and how it helps provide personalized fitness and wellness experiences.
Yeah, hi. So thanks, Shruti, for having me on the show, firstly. So at a very basic level, right, Portl's essentially trying to utilize AI to drive personalization across fitness and wellness in general, right? But when we speak about our flagship product, that's the Portl Studio, it's essentially your smart gym with a built-in personal trainer, right? So what it means is it's actually in the form of a life-size mirror that hangs on your wall, fits seamlessly within any environment. And the device itself is embedded with certain sensors and other chipsets that allow us to actually deliver advanced personalization across fitness and wellness, covering 20 plus different workout formats, right? So to give you a sense of where all we sort of incorporate AI, one is on the personalization in itself. That's where we look at an individual from multiple lenses, right? What I mean by multiple lens, again, is looking at them through their health baselines, right? To understand where they're at currently, so we don't aggravate any underlying health conditions, but also look at aspects that we can help give them an advantage at a certain basis, right, from a health perspective. Then every user undergoes a fitness assessment on device, right? So what that fitness assessment does is establish the baseline again for the individual's current physical capabilities and limitations, helps us understand what sort of range of motion, what sort of muscular imbalances exist for this individual's movement patterns, and then informs our system of what we can and should not be sort of prescribing for individuals, right?
Right.
And then we look at multiple other segments, and then we also look at, during a session, our systems will then detect your posture and give you corrective feedback if you're doing something wrong.
Absolutely.
Right? So there are multiple lenses through which we are actually utilizing AI to deliver that.
Yeah. Hi, Indranil. Arundhati here. Quite a comprehensive explanation of what it is exactly you do at Portl. But if you could tell us, with this funding, you plan to broaden your product range, right? So introduce connected strength systems and a whole lot more. So elaborate on your new offerings and how are they unique and how soon will we see them roll out?
Yeah, so the fundraise, yes, in part is for the new products that we're trying to bring to market. They are specifically within the connected strength space. We have noticed that there's a massive gap in the entire strength segment. Bringing portability, bringing that same level of personalization and guidance, for individuals in an unsupervised condition is extremely critical because the chance of injuries there is that much higher when you're dealing with resistance. So I think that's where we are really trying to innovate, obviously without giving away too much before our formal announcement on the product. It's something that we're really looking forward to.
Okay.
But I think beyond that, we're also utilizing the funds to expand our existing product offering across different markets and scale up a lot on our internal tech, sort of supply chain and distribution.
All right. Indranil, if you could quickly take us through the current business growth numbers. How many screens have you sold so far? How many trainers do you have on board? And what is the user retention rate?
Yeah, that's a great question, right? See, for us, user retention is an extremely critical metric. And that actually serves as the basis for a lot of what we're doing on the content side of things as well, right? So we've seen some of our oldest customers have now been with us for almost 2 years at a stretch. So the retention is really, really strong there. We've also incorporated a lot of the feedback that our customers have given, bringing to market more sort of live interactive classes as well. So that's going to continue to hopefully enhance the entire retention piece of the business model for us. And in terms of numbers, we've grown very steadily. I think we've been clocking close to about 30% quarter-on-quarter growth. So that is something we are really looking to accelerate as we move forward as well.
All right, so 30% quarter-on-quarter. But, if you could quickly tell us in 30 seconds, you're also looking to expand your customer base across India and overseas market. What are these new cities and what global markets are you eyeing?
See, I think in India, we're looking at every single tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 city, right? Whether it's direct through online and through partnerships, shop and shop as well. Overseas, we've identified the Middle East as a very, very big segment for us, where we've already started to make certain headway. And we've also sort of earmarked another geography that we are looking to embark into, but that's still something that we are close to finalizing, so don't want to comment on that.
All right, Indranil, it's time for us to wrap up this conversation, but many thanks for joining us on Startup Street and wish you the very best for all your aggressive expansion plans.
Thank you so much. Thank you.